Hi, thank you so much for checking out my profile. My name is Josh Burns and I'm a SQL Server DBA and data engineer. For any issues or challenges that you're facing in SQL Server, I'm here to help you. Let me tell you exactly why. I'm the highest rated and highest earning SQL Server freelancer on Upwork with over $600,000 earned across over 100 jobs. Client experience is my #1 priority, and that's reflected in the numerous 5-star reviews on my profile. This is core to my work as a freelancer, and I take great pride in over-delivering. I've worked with high-profile organizations in my career, such as CBRE, Stanford University, Alltech, and many others. I've worked extensively with every version of SQL Server since SQL Server 2000, all the way through the current version. I also work in cloud environments such as AWS RDS for SQL Server and Azure SQL as well. In addition to SQL Server, I also have experience as a data engineer. I've developed ETL processes, data warehouses, and front-end analytic reports using technologies such as Power BI. I also have a freelancing and tech YouTube channel called Josh Burns Tech, which has over 30,000 subscribers. I have some of the highest viewed SQL Server content on YouTube, and I really enjoy knowledge sharing and helping others. I would love to hear about your project and, most importantly, how I can help you. Contact me today so we can schedule a quick introduction call to ensure that I will be a great fit for you. Thank you so much for checking out my profile, and I look forward to meeting you.